To enable visual intelligence, if you press and hold, then you can see your visual intelligence is enabled. If you take a photo, let's try, then you can see it's shown translate or search or ask. It's a visual intelligence. So how to enable this option? You can see the camera icon, just press and hold, then you can see your visual intelligence is enabled. But before that, you need to enable your Apple Intelligence first. Go to setting, Apple Intelligence, just enable this Apple Intelligence. If you don't know how to enable this Apple Intelligence, you can check my other video in description. You can clearly understand. Just enable this Apple Intelligence and press and hold this button, then your visual intelligence will be enabled. And another setting, if you go to your setting and go to the accessibility, and from here if you go to the camera control, then you can see camera control. Now if you press the side button, no working. So you have to make sure this option is also enabled for your iPhone. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.